Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T7 Transporter Commerce Pro. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 170 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth automatic transmission. Finished here in the lovely deep black pearlescent paint colour, this van features LED headlights as well as a set of front parking sensors. And down below across all four wheels, we'll find a set of the 16-inch Montreal alloy wheels finished in a silver colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, the Transporter has a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. This Transporter features an electric tailgate which can be operated from inside the cab. Behind there is a factory fresh load area complete with a bulkhead delete. Access into the back of the load area can be found on either side of the vehicle, where two twin power sliding doors make entry even easier. Up in the driver's cab we'll find two singular seats, both with a heated function, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find a few cup holders as well as charging points. For the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, and this is paired with a fully digital Volkswagen cockpit display. That will complete this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T7 Transporter Commerce Pro. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.